If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah.
Gang. Go.
If you're great, they gon' hate. Ha. Yeah. What's good, PB gang? It's your boy Poppyblasted coming at y'all with another banger, man. Hey, look. We're on our way to the barbershop, bro. On the way to the barbershop. It's time for a cut. I told y'all in the last video, man, I was getting a cut. You see, I got the same clothes on. It's the same day. We about to get a cut, man. I'm taking y'all with us. I told y'all I was taking y'all with us. I got the fam with me. Say hi, mama.
Hi, don't you family?
Yeah. Trey already got dropped off. We got to get gas and all that. Trey already got dropped off, and he's already about to get his cut because he went with us. The boys got a cut last week, so they straight. So I got to do all that, man. Every time, man. Man, the dad that's his daddy duties, you feel me? I gotta make sure they get their fresh cuts and all that. So anyways, before we start the video, make sure you guys go to poppyblasted.com, get your goat drip, man, get your hair care because it's all there. Also, when you go there, make sure you sign up for text alerts, alright? When you go to the website, you will see, sign up for the text alerts. That way, you will not miss out on exclusive offers. And what that is, pretty much is like, when I have it a sale, you will get it. Oh, it's on my phone. You get the text right away. Bam, having a sale. Or if we doing a giveaway, bam, we got a giveaway going on. Let me go ahead and join that. Gotta join that. You feel me? It's free stuff. If we're doing like you're having a new product launch, you will know. You be the first to know because we do sell out fast. Stuff like that. So make sure when you go to poppyblasted.com, sign up for text alerts. Put your number in. It's simple. You will see it as soon as you go to the website. Put your number in. There you go. Voila. Magic. You signed up. Anyway, so like the video as well. Subscribe. You guys for joining PB Gang, man. We already know we family over here.
They silently push you out.
Yeah. That boy right there, man.
They find ways to
Twist cuts. Twist cuts, man.
Come check out my motherfucking class. It's coming up.
Class coming up. You said we're retro?
October 29th, nigga. Check out the motherfucking skills.
Okay, are you getting the cut?
See that nigga shit spinning out.
Your texture get changes every time.
That's what I said. I said, nigga, they didn't have hair like this.
Then he gonna have straight haircut.
You hear me? They didn't have hair like this.
Nah.
In high school.
No, we didn't. Yeah, no, that shit was coarse as hell.
Check out the brush, nigga.
Man.
That's how you keep this shit.
Oh, you like that? Yeah. I need that treatment too, man, when I'm next. When you brush my hair and do it the same, brush it, it fade me up the same time too.
Got you, man. Hey, Steph. Chilling.
I think that's what's going on with Russell Westbrook.
Yeah,
I think Russell Westbrook
man.
hasn't found the right
Next though, man.
for his talent and.
Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, Trey and there getting his haircut. I'm next. So before you get your haircut, you have to comb. Make sure you comb. It's very important to comb right before the haircut. That way the barber, for one, wash your hair, which I did. For one, wash your hair. Then after you wash your hair, you want to rag up and everything. You want to do the washing style, right? This one I'm about to unrag fresh out the washing style. And I'm about to comb my hair. 2, comb your hair. Because like I said, the barber, it's easy on the barber, clippers. Because your hair be clean. And for 2, you want to take a long, it want to what's it called? It'd be easier for the guard, the clippers and everything to get everything like easier for your hair to cut. So if it's greasy, it's going to mess up the clipper barbers, and your clipper, your hair is gonna be hard to cut because it's greasy and stuff. So it ain't gonna glide on your hair and really, like a lawnmower. It's harder to lawnmower grass when it's wet. But when it's dry, it grips everything. It's the same thing with your hair. So I'm about to unrag right now, show you guys the washing style results. Then I'm about to comb and everything. And then I'm gonna get the haircut. All right, so make sure that you don't wash your hair after the haircut though, because you already washed your hair. So wait about a week or so after the haircut to wash, because you will lose all your progress if you try to wash right after the haircut. Trust me, bro, I know. All right, so let's get it. These do-rags will be available soon too. Wash the style.
Is this yours, Dad?
Yep.
Want me to move?
Nah, you good, bro.
Rubbing on these chairs, man.
It's all good. They can start a whole gang shit in my video. Oh, everything.
I didn't even know the culture.
Right here. Huh? Everybody has to die somewhere.
SJ, drop another banger.
Alright, y'all, so pretty much what he doing right now is hitting me with the 3 with the grain, with the laver closed in the crown area, and then a 2 around, pretty much a 2 haircut with a 3 with the grain in the crown area. Being that, you know, you want to keep your crown always thicker, so if you get a 1.5 haircut, you want to get a 2.5 or a 3 in your crown. So keep your crown thicker is the key.
the producer.
Drop that bitch.
All right, y'all, so I see that was a finished cut, man. But y'all saw me in the chair. Everybody hair texture different. When I get hair cut, even when my shit was really busting, when my texture was changed, like for example, Trey texture. Show his texture. This is fresh out of a cut. I really don't want to show his before mine, because I ain't trying to knock you busting on me, man. But look, this is an example though. You see how his hair texture is? This is her fresh cut. No brushing, no nothing. Fresh out the chair, out of the cut. Now look at mine. Now show mine.
I can't believe Trey got good hair now.
Now look at mine, look. See? My shit didn't look like this after the cut. Y'all saw it when we did the spin around. I had to brush my hair and all that. So that's a prime example of, depending on your texture, depending on what you're gonna have to do afterwards. What I do afterwards is, what I just did pretty much is got a quick session in, right? I didn't even rag up. I just got the loose hairs off. I used a soft brush, got the loose hairs off. I'm gonna show you the brush. All right, so I got the loose hairs out with my brush. TikTokmerch.com. All right, so use a soft brush. Brushed out all the loose hairs. Then I use my oil.
Dang.
Oil. Summer Vibes oil. As you can see, use the plastic bag. Now, as you can see, man, you see all that shine, all from the oil. I got the loose hairs out with the soft brush. The cut is fire, you see. Come on, man, don't be hating, bro. Don't be, hey, look, you can't say this cut ain't fire. You oh, the line cricket, no it ain't. Oh, this side is higher. No, it's not. Everything's perfect, bro. You gonna say what you say, but you can see. Yeah, I'm talking my shit, because I know you thinking some other shit. Let me try to, bro, give my barber some credit, man. He did a good job, man. Just exit the waves. Don't look at my waves. Look at his line. Look at the lineup. Look at the blend. Look at the gold fade, man. It's perfect, bro. Look. No ragging up or nothing. I didn't rag up. All I did was, like I told you, soft brush, plastic bag, oil. Comment below, man, what y'all think. Keep it 100. You already know what it is, man. Get your products from TikTokmerch.com, all right? If you're great, they gonna hate. Ha! Yeah! Can you smell it from there? Yeah!